How can I identify a shield bug? If you're out in your garden or walking through a park and you spot an insect that looks a bit like a tiny shield, you might be wondering how to identify it as a shield bug. Let's take a closer look at these fascinating insects to help you figure it out. First, shield bugs are part of the order Hemiptera, which means they are true bugs. One of the key features that distinguish them from other insects, like beetles, is their mouth parts. Shield bugs have piercing sucking mouth parts, often referred to as a rostrum, which they use to extract juices from plants or other invertebrates. When it comes to their appearance, shield bugs are quite distinctive. They have a broad, flat body that resembles a medieval shield, which is where they get their name. These bugs typically have long antennae, broad shoulders, and forward-facing forelegs. The adults can fly, but they are relatively shy and tend to move away to the other side of a leaf or branch rather than flying off immediately. One of the most recognizable features of shield bugs is their coloration and markings. For example, the common green shieldbug is bright green with red antennae and can be up to 13 millimeters in length. In the winter, these bugs change color to a bronzy brown to blend in with dead vegetation. Another common species is the Brown Marmorated Shieldbug, which is medium to dark brown with 2 white bands on the antennae and white and dark spots along the edges of the abdomen. This bug also has a distinctive V shape on its abdomen. Shield bugs also come in other colors and patterns. The hairy shieldbug, for instance, is purplish-brown with black and white checkers along the edges and is covered in fine hairs. To identify shield bugs, look for their size, shape, and color. Most shield bugs are between 10 to 13 millimeters in length. They often have striking markings and metallic colors that can make them well camouflaged, but also quite eye-catching once you spot them. If you're still unsure, check the scutellum, which is the triangular part at the back of the bug's body. Shield bugs have a distinctively shaped scutellum that sets them apart from other insects. Finally, remember that shield bugs are known for their ability to emit a foul odor when they feel threatened. This smell is often described as similar to rancid marzipan and diesel, which is produced in the thoracic glands just above their hind legs. By paying attention to these details, you'll be able to identify shield bugs with ease and appreciate these interesting and sometimes beneficial insects.